Ho, ho, ho! Hello, future entrepreneurs, and welcome back to My Business Success. It's Santa here, ready to bring you the gift of opportunity this holiday season. Christmas is not just about giving gifts, but also about making some smart business moves. During this magical time of year, everyone is in the spirit of buying, gifting, and celebrating. That means there are endless ways for you to start a business, even if you've never done it before. And guess what? You don't need a sleigh full of money to get started. Just a sprinkle of creativity and a dash of holiday cheer, and you're on your way to turning Christmas into your most profitable time of the year. In today's video, I'll share 10 easy and profitable Christmas business ideas that you can start right away. So let's not waste any more time. Santa's here to guide you to business success this holiday season. Let's go. Let's start with the first business idea on Santa's list: personalized gift services. Now, we all know that people love receiving gifts that feel special and unique, something that shows the giver put thought into it. Personalized gifts are perfect for this. Imagine offering custom mugs, ornaments, or t-shirts with names, special messages, or even photos. You don't need a big budget to start. You can either create the products yourself if you're crafty, or partner with local print shops or online platforms like Etsy. People are willing to pay more for something that feels personal, so this is a great way to make some merry money during the holidays. Just remember, Santa says, creativity is your best tool in making each gift one of a kind. Ho, ho, ho. Next up on Santa's business list is something festive and fun: event planning for holiday parties. Christmas is a time for celebrations, and people are always looking for someone to help them plan the perfect holiday gathering. Whether it's corporate Christmas parties, family get-togethers, or small friend gatherings, you can offer your services to organize, decorate, and even handle the logistics of the event. You don't need to be a professional party planner to start. Begin by offering your services to friends, family, or local businesses. Get creative with decorations, holiday themes, and make the event unforgettable. You can also partner with local vendors for catering, music, or venues to make the job even easier. Everyone loves a good party, and with Santa's help, you can turn this festive cheer into a profitable venture. We all know that Christmas isn't complete without a festive feast. That's why Santa's next idea is holiday catering services. Whether it's small family gatherings or big corporate events, people are always looking for delicious, stress-free meals during the holiday season. If you love cooking or have a knack for organizing, offering holiday-themed meals, snacks, or even desserts can be a fantastic business idea. You don't need a fancy kitchen to get started. You can start small, offering homemade treats or catering local events. Christmas classics like roast turkey, cookies, or holiday cocktails are always a hit. And here's a Santa tip: partner with local venues or event planners to offer a complete service package. If food is your passion, you can turn it into a profitable venture during the holiday season. If there's one thing that makes Christmas magical, it's the decorations. Next up on Santa's list is selling Christmas decorations. From handmade wreaths and garlands to custom ornaments and holiday lights, people love decorating their homes and making them festive for the season. If you have a creative side or enjoy DIY projects, this can be a fantastic way to turn your holiday spirit into a business. Start by creating unique and personalized decorations that stand out. You can sell them online through platforms like Etsy or at local Christmas markets. What's great is that this is a low-cost business idea that allows you to start small. And don't forget, you can even offer customization options. People love to buy decorations that feel personal. Santa's advice: get crafty, bring out the glitter, and start spreading the holiday cheer through beautiful decorations. We all know how much joy a beautifully wrapped gift can bring, but not everyone has the time or skills to make their presents look perfect. That's where you come in with gift wrapping services. During the holiday season, People are busy and often willing to pay for convenience. Offering professional gift wrapping services is a fantastic way to make some extra cash. You don't need much to start, just some wrapping paper, ribbons, and a little creativity. You can set up a gift wrapping station at local malls, markets, or even offer your services online for pickup and delivery. It's a low-cost business with high demand during Christmas. Plus, with a bit of holiday flair, you can make each package stand out and bring a little more magic to the season. Ho, ho, ho! Nothing says Christmas like delicious holiday treats. Next on Santa's list is selling holiday treats and baked goods. People love indulging in festive goodies during the holidays, whether it's cookies, cakes, or traditional holiday desserts. If you enjoy baking or creating sweet treats, this can be a fun and profitable business idea. You can start small by baking from home and selling to friends, family, or at local holiday markets. Consider offering themed treats like Christmas cookies, gingerbread houses, or even holiday cupcakes. If you want to expand your reach, use social media to promote your baked goods and take online orders. There's always room for some extra sweetness during the holidays, and with Santa's encouragement, you can turn your kitchen into a mini Christmas bakery. Next on Santa's business list is perfect for those who want to help spread the Christmas spirit: Christmas tree delivery and setup. During the busy holiday season, not everyone has the time or means to pick out and set up their own Christmas tree. That's where you come in. Offering a service where you deliver and set up Christmas trees in people's homes can be a highly profitable business. You can partner with local tree farms or garden centers, or simply buy wholesale to offer this service. Imagine delivering beautifully fresh trees, setting them up, and even decorating them for those who need it. It's a convenient service that many families, businesses, or elderly people will appreciate. Plus, you can add extra services like tree removal after the holidays. Santa's tip: make sure each tree is placed with care and decorated with holiday cheer. Here's a fun idea that can bring a lot of Christmas cheer: renting out holiday costumes. Whether it's Santa suits, elf costumes, or reindeer outfits, there's always a demand for festive costumes during the holiday season. People need them for holiday parties, Christmas-themed events, and even for family photos. You can start small by investing in a few quality costumes and renting them out locally or online. You can also offer a variety of accessories like Santa hats, Christmas scarves, and other festive gear. If you really want to stand out, offer special packages where you can deliver the costume fully styled, or even include makeup for the complete holiday look. It's a fun business that spreads joy and brings the Christmas spirit to life. The next idea on Santa's list is perfect for those who love getting creative: Christmas card design and sales. Despite all the digital greetings we send today, people still love sending and receiving physical Christmas cards. There's something special about a handwritten note and a beautiful card that can't be replaced by a text message. If you have an artistic side or enjoy graphic design, this could be a great opportunity. You can create unique, personalized designs and sell them online through platforms like Etsy or at local Christmas markets. Offer a range of options from elegant and traditional designs to fun, quirky cards that stand out. You can even offer customization, allowing people to personalize the message or add family photos. It's a low-cost business that taps into the sentimental side of the holiday season. We've made it to the final business idea on Santa's list, and it's a bright one: holiday light installation services. Everyone loves to see beautiful Christmas lights on houses, but not everyone enjoys setting them up. That's where you come in. Offering a service where you install holiday lights for homes and businesses is a fantastic way to make some extra cash during the festive season. You can start by offering your services to neighbors, friends, or small businesses in your community. All you need are some basic tools and a bit of creativity to make each setup shine. This business idea is especially great for people who don't mind working outdoors and love spreading holiday cheer. You can even offer additional services like light removal after the holidays. With Santa's magic and your skills, you can light up the season and your wallet. Ho, ho, ho. Well, my dear future entrepreneurs, we've reached the end of Santa's list of 10 Christmas business ideas. I hope you found an idea that sparked your holiday spirit and inspired you to take action. Whether you're setting up Christmas lights, baking festive treats, or delivering Christmas trees, the opportunities are endless during this magical season. Remember, you don't need a sleigh full of money to get started. All you need is a little creativity, some holiday cheer, and the willingness to take the first step. The Christmas season is the perfect time to start small and grow as the demand increases. So, don't wait. Pick your favorite idea, and let's turn this holiday season into your most profitable one yet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive business tips. Santa will be cheering for your success. Ho, ho, ho.